Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. To lead, you have to do everything well. Welcome to the front of the pack. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way that Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces." For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.